अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज हम फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश बुक 1 चैप्टर नंबर 15 द एंजल एंड द ऑथर एंड अदर्स की कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। एट विच पॉइंट ऑफ जर्नी इन हिज ड्रीम डिड द ऑथर हियर द थ्रॉबिंग साउंड ऑफ विंग्स। इसका आंसर है ही हियर द थ्रॉबिंग साउंड ऑफ एंजल्स विंग्स व्हेन ही कुड सी नथिंग ऑन द अर्थ। व्हाट टाइम ऑफ द ईयर वाज इट। इसका आंसर है इट वॉज अबाउट अ fortnight आफ्टर क्रिसमस व्हेन ही सॉ द ड्रीम। व्हाट डज द ऑथर लाइक अबाउट क्रिसमस। इसका आंसर है क्रिसमस मेक पीपल गुड एंड जेनरस। दे डू अ लॉट ऑफ गुड डीड्स ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड। ऑल दिस इज डिलाइटफुल फॉर द ऑथर। दिस इज व्हाट ही लाइक्स अबाउट क्रिसमस। Write down the good deeds the author has admitted are a great joy at Christmas. इसका आंसर है near Christmas people become good. He himself did some noble deeds at Christmas. These deeds of charity caused him a great joy. Why noble deeds are always a great joy for the author? इसका आंसर है the noble deeds give spiritual happiness. They benefit humans. They please God also. Therefore, the writer enjoys doing such deeds. Question number 2 है read the story and fill in the blanks. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ ऑप्शंस दे दिए गए हैं, आपने ब्लैंक्स में इन्हें फिल करना है इनकी करेक्टनेस के मुताबिक। I had a dash dream. डैश में वैक्सिंग आ जाएगा। I had a waxing dream. It was about a dash after Christmas. डैश में fortnight आ जाएगा। I was about a fortnight after Christmas. I turned my head to see it was the dash angel. Dash में recording आ जाएगा। I turned my head to see it was the recording angel. He had a dash look. Dash में very आ जाएगा। He had a very look. Noble dash are always a great joy to me. Dash में deeds आ जाएगा। Noble deeds are always a great joy to me. I have often thought of keeping a dash. Dash में diary आ जाएगा। I have often thought of keeping a diary. The author told the angel of his dash deeds. Dash में good आ जाएगा। The author told the angel of his good deeds. The author remembered the dash to which he sent all his old clothes. Dash में rummage आ जाएगा। The author remembered the rummage to which he sent all his old clothes. The show was well worth the dash. डैश में मनी आ जाएगा। The show was well worth the money. The author had joined the dash for a motor car. डैश में raffle आ जाएगा। The author had joined the raffle for a motor car. Question number 3 है read the lesson and tick the correct word. Write the correct sentences in your notebook. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, आपने इन ऑप्शंस की करेक्टनेस के मुताबिक इन्हें सेंटेंसेस में पुट करना है। The author had the dream about a dash after Christmas. Week, fortnight, month. Fortnight is the correct option. The author had the dream about a fortnight after Christmas. It was the recording dash following the author in his dream. Machine, device, angel. Angel is the correct option. It was the recording angel following the author in his dream. At dash, men and women become generous in London. Easter, Christmas, New Year. Christmas is the correct option. At Christmas, men and women become generous in London. The author subscribed dash shillings to the fund for the unemployed. 10, 3, 5. 10 is the correct option. The author subscribed 10 shilling to the fund for the unemployed. He had been to dash charity dinners. 4, 5, 6. 4 is the correct option. He had been to 4 charity dinners. The notice appeared in the dash post morning, afternoon and evening. Morning is the correct option. The notice appeared in the morning post. It was a dash show in aid of the fund for the destitute. Huge, large monster. Monster is the correct option. It was a monster show in aid of the fund for the destitute. The dash was well worth the money. Journey, dinner, show. Show is the correct option. The show was well worth the money. There were many other dash deeds of the author. Big, great, noble. Noble is the correct option. There were many other noble deeds of the author. The author sent all of his old clothes to the dash sale. Annual rummage grand. Rummage is the correct option. The author sent all of his old clothes to the rummage sale. तो आज की वीडियो यहीं पर खत्म होती है। आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज।